World Cooking Contest. Welcome to the World Cooking Contest! I am the best. No, I am the best.
The best chef is me.
No, the best chef is me.
I want to be the best.
Have you been to Mexico? I am Mexican. This is a taco. I don't like it. Have you been to India? I am Indian. This is curry.
I don't like it. Have you been to France? I am French. This is escargot.
I don't like it. Have you been to Australia? I am Australian. This is meat pie.
I don't like tacos. I don't like curry.
My meat pie is the best.
My escargot is the best.
Excuse me. Have you been to China? I am Chinese. Put the corn, curry, snails, and meat in the middle. These dumplings are for everyone.
Awesome!
Woohoo! Fantastic!
Oh, it tastes like curry. Yum!
It tastes like escargot. Wow.
You are the best!